Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll show you how to extract structured data using Browse AI. If you're ready to get started, let's dive right in. To begin, open up the Browse AI website. You can find the link in the description below. Once the web page is loaded, log into your account by clicking the Login button. If you don't have an account yet, you can simply click the Continue with Google button. Before we proceed, it's important to note that you need to install and set up the Browse AI extension first in order to create a robot. If you haven't done this yet, we have a comprehensive video tutorial available on how to install and set up the Browse AI extension. Feel free to watch and follow that tutorial before continuing. I leave the link in the description below. Assuming you have already installed and set up the Browse AI extension, we can now move forward. At this point, we need the link to the website where you want to extract structured data using your robot. Please copy the desired link and return to Browse AI. In Browse AI, locate the origin URL bar and paste the previously copied link into it. Great! Now click the Start Recording Task button to initiate the recording process. A prompt will appear asking for your confirmation. Just click OK, understood to proceed. Next, click on the robot logo and select Capture List from the selection menu. It is now time to select the product image and all the relevant information related to the product you wish to monitor. By clicking on one of the images or details about the product, Browse AI will automatically select the entire item list for you. After choosing the necessary image and information, press Enter to finish the selection. Provide a name for the selected information and click the check icon or press Enter to confirm. Once you've finished selecting and naming the captured information, a Review Captured List window will pop up. Here you can see all the items and information you've selected, along with the names you've assigned to them. Next, set a name for this captured list in the designated field. If you'd like to limit the number of rows to be extracted, you can set a maximum by selecting the desired value or even entering a custom number. Now, select the pagination type for your captured list. If you can't decide on what you must choose, you can scroll down the page to see if the page has a Next button or not, so you can decide. For this example, we'll choose Click on Next to navigate to the next page, since I have a Next button on this page. If you select the same pagination type, you will need to select the Next button on the page of your chosen website. With all the necessary settings in place, go ahead and click the Capture List button. Now select the Finish Recording button if you're done. At this stage, you have the option to change the name of your robot. If you are satisfied with the automatically provided name, you may proceed by clicking the Save button. Wait until the process is finished. After the process is done, you can review the items that you've selected and check if it is good enough for you. If it is good enough, just click the Finish Setup button. Congratulations! You have successfully set up your new data extraction task using Browse AI. You can access this task on your dashboard at any time by clicking the Dashboard menu. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.